Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so today we have gathered here to witness a very special activity. Okay, now?
Yes,
So that
sir.
special activity is nothing but a conversation activity, and today I am going to have the conversation with my friend Samarth Adodgi. Please welcome him. Please give him a big round of applause. Good morning. Please welcome. Okay. So please be seated. Thanks. Okay. Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am comfortable.
Okay. Very good. Shall we begin the conversation?
Yes.
Okay.
By all means.
Very good. So Samarth is ready to start the conversation. Okay, friend. My first question is, so can you please give your self introduction?
Yes. I am Samarth. My father name is Sanguda Dudi. He is a farmer. My mother name is Ranka Dudi. She is a homemaker. Basically, I am from Davalagi. I am 8th class government high school, Matkeshwar. Thank you for this opportunity.
Okay, very good. Nice family. So my second question is that, so please tell me about your daily routines.
Yes, okay. Get up
I
at
get up.
I get up at 5 a.m. in the morning. I brush my teeth and fresh. I go to walk. I read newspaper for I read newspaper for a while. I take my breakfast. I go to school 9 a.m. I return from school 5 p.m. I complete my homework. I go to bed 10 p.m.
Wow, very interesting. You have a very nice routines. Okay, right. So can you please tell me about your school and teachers?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Yeah, I am very lucky to have such school and teachers. We have all the facilities. We are getting quality education. All the teachers are disciplined, dedicated, caring and friendly.
Friendly with students. Wow, it's a really wonderful school and teachers. So next question is that how do you spend your free time?
In free time, I love to
Read.
read novels, stories. I play with friends. I help my parents in their work.
Wow, very good one. Okay, sorry. So my last question is that what is your future plan, or could you please tell me about your future plan?
I want to become a police. SSLC marks 625 in the work
You want to work hard.
hard.
Okay, very good. Anyhow, wishing you all the best for your future plan. So as you wished, I wish you to become a good police officer. Okay, na? All the best. God bless you. And thank you for giving us the time and sharing your ideas. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. Please give him a big.